going.
No, she don't.
We're going canoeing, kayaking, something.
Or paddle boating.
Whatever works
Yeah.
on the lake with our children.
Ew.
Say hi, Bubba.
Is it boo-boo?
So we will check in when we get back to the lake.
Or whatever. So I'll probably call you later today. Malik said he might come with us. I don't know if I told you, but Mike said he's down, and Mike said he can help us find a bar to go to in the city.
Hey, don't hit him. Landon.
I told Malik if he come, he got to stay with you though.
That's cool. Yeah, I figured that, yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll talk about it more when we get everything. We're gonna solidify.
Blue.
No way.
Okay, what happened to single?
Yeah, man.
I just been in a double with Cam, and it was hard to paddle with us
No,
too.
yeah, no, I feel safer with that. I feel like Landon would be safer being closer.
Hopefully he just relaxed and calmed down, you know. But we'll see. My vlog. Landon, you excited?
Look. Oh,
We got on the boat?
it's rolling.
Over there, they both deep. Are they?
Yeah, I think the temple might have been too big.
Oh.
That looks too big and too far away from him. Me.
Whoa.
You okay? You scared?
No.
Landon.
Yeah, I'm like,
Oh, Landon.
Come here.
We can't leave you here.
With Mommy.
Oh,
Come get in the boat with Mommy. Come here. Come on.
no.
oh,
So
yay.
you sit down right there, okay? Hold on, this way.
Oh,
This way. Thank you so much.
thank you.
I don't know why I still have my mask on. And this thing suffocates me. Okay.
Good job, Landon.
I literally just want to hang out. Awesome. Have a fun time.
See you out there. Bye, Landon. Thank you.
Guys,
Blue, good job.
I'm gonna have to move Landon. Okay. Okay, I think we get into a safe space.
I can hold your bag.
No, I got the bag. I think the bag is good cushion behind him.
Okay.
Okay, you want to lean back?
No.
You want to take off your shoes?
No.
Yes, he do.
Girl, I know he do. Let me take off your shoes.
No way. No way.
No way.
Oh, no.
Keep 'em on.
Landon, you're good. You're being a big boy. You want some candy?
Say hi. I wish I had my
No
phone.
way.
Let me get my phone.
Oh, can you give me a blue?
Hold on. Let mommy get her phone. I'm gonna have to get you while she's back.
Look, I just wanted to show them how I got blue on my leg. We're out on the water. Say hi.
No way.
No way.
All right. This is all I got.
Oh, that's cute.
Watch out.
Landon, take a picture.
Watch
for mommy.
out.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Okay.
Watch out, we crashing.
All right. Let's paddle out some more. Maybe then I'll be able to get it.
Ooh. How is this water in the boat?
Landon.
No way.
All right.
It was so pretty out with
We
the...
can try. All right. Let's go. I could download my Instagram and send it. So all my people who think that we do fun stuff can see what we do.
Ah! We crashed! Hi, Landon!
Oh no!
Oh no! Me and my baby. Brittany and her baby. Blue Blue, you chilling, baby?
Okay, kayak time.
Woo, I'm rocking.
Thank you, baby. Landon's over here encouraging me.
Oh, he said good job. He's so cute.
Watch out.
Hi, Landon. Ah, watch out. We gonna crash.
Close!
Ah, ah.
We made it.
He was still stuck. Look, he's stuck.
It's Brittany.
What's up? I'm looking ugly.
No, you don't.
It doesn't matter.
No, into the boat.
Don't drop your
Whoa.
paddle.
Oh, you're right.
Get the boat.
Landon, you having fun?
We did it.
We made it out here. You wasn't gonna get in the boat, remember?
Get it.
He said, I don't know what
Oh man,
Blue Blue.
I'm stuck.
you're stuck.
This black isn't.
There's a bridge all the way over there. And we're gonna try to make it there. BRB. Yes? Landon,
What?
what you doing?
Say hi.
So my dog jumped ship. Hey, baby! Ah! It's cold. It's cold, Landon.
It was.
It's cold. No.
Is it cold?
It is cold. Ah! I'm about to do it to you. Wait
All right.
Uh-oh. Landon, oh no. We stopped. Blue hopped into that.
No. How are we gonna get out?
How we gonna get out?
Oh, he said, how we gonna get out?
Yeah.
We're just taking a little break. Girl, Boo Boo.
He a daredevil.
We over here trying to get out.
Landon.
Ew, see. I got shoe. I got shoe.
Look at your face. Blue. Allie, we gonna
Jump, baby.
Who's the donkey?
Woo! Get the hot dog. Get the hot dog. Get the hot dog from Mama. Thank you, Bubba. Girl, I'm listening to gospel music. Ignore me.
Okay, period. Look at his little tail. Girl, it's probably got his neck turned. Landon.
Oh yeah, we can really just put this over there.
Okay.
It's in a whole container for you.
Blue Blue. What? Oh, I took one out.
Oh, I was trying to take it.
Oh, yeah,
Girl,
yeah.
Landon pushed off that boat.
Bye, Landon.
Say bye.
Cookie
One
wants
of my
to.
foot breasts Stay.
Landon. Good job, Landon.
Fat boy. Look, he said,
We did it.
We did it.
we switched. Okay, Blue, you gotta put on a life jacket.
Landon, where your life jacket?
Ellie. Hold on, Blue. Stay still.
We did it.
We did it.
Where's he going? Where's he go? Where's he go? Look, he's stuck.
You're safe, Blue. Your nephew is not. I mean, your cousin is not, but it's.
Blue said, get me out of this shit.
Allie, you did it. It's up again. Go on.
What you say,
You have
baby?
food all over your mouth.
Cookie Monster. He been eating
Okay,
Oreos.
Look, he's happy. Go now. Okay, Allie.
Okay.
Bubba, you want some apples or you want a juice?
No way. You go.
No way.
Oh, my eyes is burning. I don't know why.
The bridge. We almost made it. We're taking a snack break.
Ellie.
Help.
Okay.
It's sticking in the trouble. What's different?
We switched babies.
Shoot.
Don't make eye contact. It always.
Okay, there goes the bridge. Not all the way there, but close enough. It's been, how long has it been?
2 hours.
Almost 2 hours. So we're gonna head back. Okay. My dog is wet. We're hungry. It's about that time. It's been great though. It's the fall vibes for me.